Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating a Christmas wreath. It is a paper wreath in a frame and it's all made with newest Lemoncraft collection this Christmas. I will be using a Creative Pad Wood Patterns 04, and I'm just going to choose a wood pattern for the background for my wreath, and then I will be using the wreath which is included in this Christmas collection. You can see that we have a wreath and the elements to decorate it. I love the wreath idea, and everyone can use the elements they want and create different wreaths. Of course, there is a few of each kind of element, so you can have it very heavily embellished or you can have only few. It all depends how you want to use it. So in the video I will show you how I decorated mine. I have prepared the frame for it before. I wish I did a tutorial, but I was doing it in the evening and just couldn't record it. But in the description below the video I am going to include a short instruction how I did the frame. So if you would like to know, just check the description box below the video. I really enjoyed making that wreath, and I'm hoping that with the video I will inspire you to create yours. I will leave you to watching me playing with the elements, and I will talk to you at the end of the video. To finish off my project, I'm going to add few pearls, micro beads, clear glitter, a little bit of gold glitter, and I also have the true snow paste. But if you don't have the snow paste, you can add a little bit of gesso or white acrylic paint to create that snow effect. And then I will sprinkle everything with white acrylic paint mixed with a bit of water. And this is it for today. I must say that I really love my wreath, and I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you will create one as well. Please visit Lemoncraft blog or Facebook page and you will find lots of lovely inspirations there. You can also join the Lemoncrafters group on Facebook. I will provide link below the video, and if you are creating with Lemoncraft papers, you can add your projects there. So this will be it for today. I want to thank you very much for watching my video, for coming here. Please subscribe to Lemoncraft YouTube channel and you will be notified when the new video is uploaded. Thanks a lot again. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.